I grew up around men whose hands told the truth before their mouths ever did. They had busted knuckles, dirt under their nails, and backs that ached from honest work. My father was one of them. So were our neighbors, the dads of my classmates. Mechanics, electricians, carpenters, men who chased stability, not status. They built the America I knew. But today, those working-class neighborhoods, those people, are fading. The world celebrates billionaires and tech geniuses, while the ones who keep our lights on go unseen. In our house, money was always a conversation, never a guarantee. My parents taught me that the American dream wasn't easy. It was fragile, earned through hard work, presence, and persistence. These men were quiet, stoic, and resilient. They didn't talk about feelings. They just showed up, did the work, protected their own. That silence carried strength, but also pain. We owe them more than nostalgia. We owe them respect, fair wages, and a culture that remembers their contribution. My father may be gone, but every sentence I write, every choice I make carries his legacy. Remember them, honor them. Their hands built something real, and their lessons still shape us today.